Welcome to the Emerging Technology stand at High-End Munich. This is the introduction of our NADAC high-end digital to analog converter. And for an explanation, I'm going to hand over to our CEO, Claude Cellier.
Peter, it's a pleasure for me in this premiere for us to be with you and to share with your viewers what this new product is about. But let me first introduce you the company, because we are totally unknown in the high-end consumer business. So it could be the right time to quickly tell your viewers that we've not new in this audio business. We've been in the pro side of things, creating the equipment that are used today and for the past couple of years to record all these beautiful sound and these magnificent recordings from all the world over, particularly in high resolution. We've been among the very few companies who were seminal in the early times of DSD for SACD. That was now about 20 years ago, so 2 decades ago, and we've been staying in this pro business for all these years. We are now today in Munich unveiling a premiere. This premiere is about the NADAC. Let me show you the product. Let's go a little bit there. Inside the area, the NADAC is not only one product, it's 2 products. And if you join me here, you're going to see one which does actually work right now with what we're listening to, plus an 8-channel version. The stereo is what we're hearing, and this is the back of the 8-channel version. We introduce right away these 2 units because there's different styles of listening at home, and we want to cater for both of them. Now, if Dominic is kind enough, he could, because we've seen it, we could now pump it up a little bit. What's special with the NADAC? And why did we feel it important to introduce this market for the consumer side? Many of our users record, master, publish, sell their records more and more now online by download. And there was a missing link. How do users at home be in a position to listen with the original quality that was signed off by the artist or signed off by the producer in the recording studio or in the mastering studio at home with the equivalent quality or even better quality? And it's these guys who pushed us. Come on, guys, you should be doing something for everybody to enjoy at home. And this is a result of these efforts. We have here a version that you can see has headphone outputs, and what you can listen here, if I put them on also, is Eric Clapton being played out from the Emotion server that is also coming to come bundled with our DAC systems. And let me add one more important point. One of the first questions that came up on some blogs that we've monitored since we announced the product was an intriguing question. Why do you guys provide no USB port input to your devices? And the reason is simple. We decided a long time ago that we won't ever design a product with a USB connector, nor shall we in the future. We have decided that Ethernet was the way to go. It brings numerous advantages. First, it's much more robust than USB. But plus that, it allows networking. So in a home, you can connect all your devices multi-source, multi-zone to a network. And what I'm listening to here can actually be produced by this player over there and can be monitored by yet another NADAC, all residing on the same Ravenna network. That's why we feel important that we don't confuse the user with USB. We want them to enjoy the best and the most robust format to convey audio from a computer to a DAC. And I need to introduce you to Dominique Brulart. Dominique has been instrumental. As a matter of fact, without him this product wouldn't exist, and I want to make sure he tells you what his passion has made possible in developing this product.
Hello, let me introduce myself. I'm Dominique Brulart from Merging. I'm the head software engineer, and I also decided to be the NADAC product manager, and I actually designed this product based on all the technology we developed during these past years that Claude already described a bit. Actually, the product started by the demand of our dear professional customers, being recording engineers, mastering engineers. Most of them are also host their own labels, run their own labels, and you can see them basically listed here. That's brand known names in the high resolution recording and production. And during these 15 past years where we've been working in designing and developing the PRMix workstation and various converters for the DSD production, it happened that the DAC-CD medium was declining, and it's been clear to all these partners that the file download was taking off. And there was a strong need for a multi-channel DSD-capable DAC in the consumer world. So it's been clear for them that the quality of our converters were exactly what they were hoping to find in the consumer world to play back the files they've been producing with our equipment. So it's been a logical step for us to actually design or adapt our technology to this market. It's the same components that we're using in our professional equipment with some additions and improvement for the consumer market. But basically, we made all we could to keep this central point that our partner feels mandatory, which is transparency. These persons are creating material that are as close as possible to what happened during the recording, and they really would like their customers, being the listeners, to enjoy the exact same experience that they do enjoy in the studios or in the recording environment. So that's at the origin of the NADAC. During our own experience in the professional world in these past years, we've been intensely using the networking technologies for our own needs, and their needs actually, for multi-channel and highly multi-channel recording, up to 48 channel of DSD or quad DSD or even more currently. So it's been pretty logical to reuse that technology in our consumer DAC. At the same time, we heard the concern of a big majority of the market about USB and the clocking issue we can find, the quality, and we clearly seen the technology we use, being the Ravenna on the Ethernet, as clearly a solution, as it perfectly works for us in the recording side. So all that ended up in that box, the NADAC, that stands for Network Attached DAC, and we're pretty proud of launching this product now in Munich. It's quite an achievement. I wish really to thank our partners here, who are first at the origin of this project, second being friends, as most of them are friends and beloved customers, doing excellent material and excellent recordings. So this couldn't actually happen without them being at the origin of all these recordings and the demand for this product. So thanks to them, and see you in Newport. For those who couldn't be in Munich for that launch, we'll redo this launch 2 weeks from now in Newport Beach with the greatest pleasure.